it's a bearish market. So what we have to do this week is to go down to our lower time frame and start looking for sales. So as of Friday, price came to retest this area. Price came to mitigate this other block. As of Friday, they trapped above with this week and then pushed back. So we go to our entry time frame to start looking for sales. This is a bearish market in Euro USD. So this week price came, this is Monday, right? Price formed on Friday. There was a lower high at this zone. I'll label it quickly. There is a lower high which price gave sales. Lower high engage. So if you are looking to sell, this is a very good opportunity for you to sell, right? Since it's a stop loss here, we bring it down, right? So price gave some profits, came back at this area, started rejecting. Price didn't get to our previous lower high, gave an M shape, people sold, right? You can sell from here after these candles, right? This is evening star. Price came down and started trapping, but couldn't get to this low. This is like a range, and finally price pushed higher. This is just a trap, which is okay to be taken out on break even in this area. Price came higher, and inside this zone gave us another good sell setup, right? So this is another proper sales here. The previous lower high is still holding, so you sell your market, put your stop loss in this area, just 11 pips. Price came down, took out this low, took out this previous low too, this previous lower low. Can you see? Yeah, it is just a sell market. All you have to do is for price to come back and mitigate another block again, which is this area. Price came and started playing around, so you stay away from these buys. Price took out this low, you started looking for what is happening. So let's see what's happening here in the higher time frame. Go to higher time frame and see what is going on, which zone price was trying to retest. H4. So in H4, lots of weeks, price came to retest this neck of M. This is another block. Can you see on H4 that price didn't mitigate? Price came to retest this zone, right? You see how price retested. So from this area, this is the first TP, this area. So since price retested, it gave you a very good bearish engulfing. Price gave us very nice bearish engulfing, right? Stop loss in this area and then down. So let's go lower to our time frame, as is then price has been selling. So let's go down to M15. So in M15, let's see how price rejected at that zone. So let me take this off first and explain. So price was rallying up in this zone. This is just a retracement. So how do we know price was ready to start selling? Price couldn't take out this high. Look at this massive aggressive push momentum, and price took out this previous lower, this previous higher low. Can you see how we took it out? Then price started ranging back to this other block at this zone. So when price came to this other block, right, it couldn't take it higher. It rejected, gave us very nice bearish engulfing. So you sell, you can sell from here one, keep your stop loss here. Very small stop loss, 12 pips. Price played, gave you another entry, re-entries. Can you see? Gave you another re-entry in this zone. Give another re-entry in this zone. And then pushed down. So many re-entries in form of consolidation, but they were never going up. Can you see how they were giving us lots of entries? This is another entry here. they never took out our stop loss, right? We already know what's happening from higher time frame. We are going down. Then price now gave us an aggressive push again, showing they are ready to go down. Don't rush price. If you enter here, your stop loss will be very wide. Price put back. Look at this other block at this zone. Okay, this is another lower high, lower low. Price came, gave us good entry at this area, this lower high, and then came down. So many entries in this zone, right? And then we tested this zone. Price put back, came to mitigate this other block. If you look left, can you see this low? Price gave another entry here. This is another entry. So many entries here. Stop loss above. We could have gotten entries here again. We are coming down, right? Price took out this previous low, came back again, but couldn't take out this previous lower high, gave us another massive entry. Okay, so many entries in this pair just in one day. Same setup, same strategy, using your simple market structure. So if you squeeze these charts, switch to line charts, this is just a downtrend. You can see how price gave us series of lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low to this zone, and now price has not taken out this high, this previous lower high. He gave another sell entry here, which I don't expect it to still be in the market by this time. At least we've gotten enough for the week, right? And it's still going down. So we are not looking for buys yet until price starts showing us reasons why we should start buying. In this case, we are still selling from our knowledge of what happened from higher time frame H1 H0. Look at how nice this really looks. So if you capitalized on Euro USD this week on Friday, this is Friday, so Monday, late Monday in New York section, you get your entries. On Tuesday, price came up, no trade on Tuesday. Wednesday, you see so many entries. Thursday, entries, and then finally Friday. So this is how you can make lots of money. Just choose one pair, choose a setup, and capitalize on that setup. You see yourself making as much money as you want to make. Keep it simple. Remember, your journey or your aim as a trader is to make money. Keep it simple and find ways to make money. Look out for my videos, watch my previous videos, and you'll be able to learn this strategy and know how you can capitalize on any market and make as much money as you want. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please remember to subscribe and like this video so that we can continue creating valuable contents to help you make money. If you want to take my trades, please check my bio and join my free Telegram link, and you'll be able to take my exact trades, exact entries for free. Alright, so thank you, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.